Hello everybody, today I want to show you how I made this delicious carne con papas and chile verde. So it's basically steak pieces with potatoes, diced potatoes, and covered in some delicious green chili sauce. What's best? It's very easy to prepare. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. What's to love about a good meal that consists of meat, potatoes, and chili? Well, let me put you on to this meal. Tender pieces of steak with nice soft potatoes and some delicious sauce. Amazing. Grab your ingredients and let me show you how I made this. To begin with, in my pot, I'm adding in some water. And once that comes to a light boil, I'm adding in 2 Roma tomatoes, 5 tomatillos, 1 chile serrano, and 1 jalapeño. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let them soften. It only takes about 5 minutes. And once it has softened, I'll be adding these to the cup of my blender. I'm also going to save some of this water to add to the blender. With this, I'm adding a piece of onion, a large garlic clove, and some cilantro, and a teaspoon of chicken knorr, but you add spices to your liking. Once that's blended, I'm going to set that aside, and I added some olive oil to my pan, and once the oil heated up, I'm adding in 2 pounds of steak. This is the seasoning that I love to use on all my steaks, all my meat. This is love for my meat. It's Chef Merito, but of course you can use whatever seasonings of your choice. I'm just going to brown that, and once this has all browned, I'm going to add in 2 potatoes that I have diced up and the green chili sauce. Going to mix that, and I will cover this. My heat is on a low. Covering this and letting it cook until the potatoes have softened. After 20 minutes, checking, the potatoes are fork tender. So now this carne con papas and chile verde is done. The sauce is superb. It's so delicious. And this is how I like to serve it, with a side of rice, a side of beans. And I whipped up some flour tortillas. This would go great with corn tortillas also. And now this is ready, and it's ready to enjoy. So you know what we're going to do? That's right, we're going to try it. I like to serve mine with a side of beans, a side of rice, and some tortillas, whether it be flour or corn. Perfect. Cheers. I have a piece of flour tortilla here that I just made. It has spice, but it's not overwhelming. The taste of the tomatillos is so perfect also. Some tomatillos tend to come out bitter, but it depends on how long you boil the tomatillos in the water. You don't want to boil them until they are like mushy, because then you will get bitter taste in your food. But this is perfect. It tastes so good. And of course, with the sides, it's a perfect meal. And that is my recipe on how I make this carne con papas and chile verde. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you make this, let me know. Leave a nice comment below. And hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.